In this video, I will share with you how to offer free shipping on Hostinger website builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log in to your Hostinger account. Then go to websites. And next to the website you want to offer free shipping on, click on this edit website button. Now switch from website builder to manage store. Then go to settings, click on shipping. Now click on this create zone button to first create a geographic zone we are talking about. For example, we can call it US. For example, for orders coming from US, here you can name it US. You can also name it international shipping, whatever you want. And then select your countries from this list. If you write international shipping, just click on select all, or pick your country or multiple countries from this list. Where is United States? This is it. After that, you can even select which states in your country you want to offer free shipping for. In my case, I will offer free shipping to all 57 states. You can add multiple countries, for example, US and Canada on the same shipping zone. After that, click on save. After creating your shipping zone, here add a shipping option. To do that, click on add option. Here we will call it, for example, free shipping, since it's free. And here in the shipping rate, keep it 0 in order to have free shipping. In my case, I will offer free shipping just for orders over a certain amount, for example, $50. Click on add conditions. Here select order price and not order weight. After that, the minimum order price, here I will fill in $50. And since I don't have a maximum order price, I will leave it empty. Here, the lower bound of the condition, which means the minimum order price, is inclusive, and the upper bound is not. This inclusive means that if an order is value is exactly $50, it will match this condition for free shipping. And for orders, yes, and the upper bound is not. For example, if I fill in here $100 and an order value is exactly $100, it will not match this free shipping condition. I hope this was clear for you. After that, here, so you should set conditions according to this example. For example, you can create a shipping option for 0 to 5, then a separate option for 5 to 10, and so on. Click on add, and here the regular one is by default added for you after creating the shipping zone, and here I have the free shipping. Now let's delete this regular shipping because I don't know what is regular, if it is free or not. Now yes, I will click on back to shipping, and my new shipping for US is added. Now let's test this free shipping. This is the same website. Go to store, click on a product, add to bag. As you see, the subtotal is more than my minimum of $50, so I should match the condition of free shipping. Click on checkout, select a shipping destination, US, and as you see, I've met the condition of free shipping. If I select a different country, I will see different shipping options. Now, let's see what happens if my order value is below $50? Return to store, click on add to bag, and delete, edit the quantity. Now my subtotal is only $18, below 50. Click on checkout, select US, select a state. Now no shipping option is available for me because I don't have one for orders below $50. Now I will return to the store manager, click on US, scroll down to shipping options, click on add option, and here I will call it, for example, standard shipping. And for the rate, let's go with $10. And for the conditions, I will start from 0 to $50. So this is why it is important to understand this phrase, and the upper bound is not inclusive. So for an order, with a value of exactly $50 or starting from $50 and up, it will not meet this standard shipping condition. It will go with it will meet the other or the free shipping condition. Click on add. Now let's go to the same website, store, sunglasses, add to bag. Now that's my adjust my order bag to be below $50. Click on checkout, US, this Alabama state, and now I only see standard shipping for $10, and it is automatically added to my order total due price. And this is how to offer free shipping in Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.